Hello everyone, I'm Arshad from class 12th and I'm proud to be the head boy of the school. According to me, leadership is not just holding a title, it's a responsibility towards my school's community. So I'm ready and excited to lead and inspire my fellow mates and students to strive for excellence and success. Let us make our school a hub of innovation, creativity and discipline. Thank you.
Greetings to all. I am Sadhna, the head girl of our school. Together, as a council, we aim to build school environment rooted in respect, collaboration, and growth. Our vision is to create space where students feel empowered to contribute, where achievements are celebrated, and where challenges met with courage and unity. Let's walk this journey together, united, inspired, and ready to make.
I am Aryan Singh from class 11th. I am the deputy head boy of our school. My aim is to make our school a place where everyone feels valued, supported, empowered. I'll become a catalyst for positive change and make a meaningful impact on.
I'm Ekta from class 11P, Commerce, and I'm holding the position of Deputy Head Girl in my school. As being the Deputy Head Girl of my school, I will act as the key leader within the student body, supporting our school head girl and acting and representing our school at various events. And I will always ready to lend a helping hand. And I believe that together we can make our school an even better place.
For me, sports is not just about playing games. It means teamwork, positivity and dedication towards the game. It's my responsibility to maintain discipline in our school and it can be done by teamwork. I will try my best to manage rules and regulation with the help.
11th. I feel proud and grateful to be chosen as the sports vice captain of our school. It's not just a badge, it's a responsibility that I promise to carry with full dedication. I will support every player and motivate everyone to give their best. I will work to bring out the best in our teams and help organize practices and make sure everyone feel included and get a chance to participate and grow. Let's play with her.
Bhavika Verma and I'm studying in 11th A. Right now, I'm serving as a cultural captain in my school. Also, being a cultural captain, it is not just about having a badge on your shirt, but more importantly, it is about the promise and the commitment that you did to your teacher that you will definitely help all the students out there to get engaged into each and every activity which will be organized in our school. Also, I wish to see the cultural calendar of this year to be more exciting for each one of us. Thank you. Here from class 12th. I'm the discipline captain of this school. My duty is to ensure everyone follow rules and respect each other. I take pride in creating an environment where everyone feels supported. Respect Irma from grade 8th. Discipline vice captain of our esteemed school. It is a great honor and privilege for me to stand before you today. I feel honored for this opportunity to serve my school and take on this responsibility. I am committed to uphold the values in myself and encouraging them in others. I will always strive to do the right and encouraging others to do the Anjali from class 11A. I'm serving as academic captain. As academic captain, my role is to promote discipline in studies, to support students academically, and to help in organizing learning-based events. I'm excited to take on this responsibility and contribute to a positive learning environment for all of us. Class 11th A. I am honored to serve school as academics vice captain. My duty is to promote love for learning, support academics excellence, and encourage every student to reach their potential. Let's work together to make learning something which we are. My name is Siva. I am from class 11th Commerce. I am the environment ambassador of this wonderful school. I feel privileged to stand here as the environment ambassador. As an environment ambassador, my responsibility is to create awareness among the students of our school about the crucial need for the conservation of our environment and promoting good moral and ethical value. From class 11th A, as a community service captain of our school. Community service is not just helping others, it's about spreading kindness, learning empathy, and making a world around us a better place. I believe that leadership is not about giving orders, but working together and so all. My name is Angel Mehta from class 11th A. It gives me an immense pleasure to stand before you today as a vice literary captain of our school. As a vice literary captain, my goal is to encourage all the students to step up and speak loudly and boldly. So basically, literature is not just about the books and the poem. It's about understanding different minds, understanding different ideas, whether it is a passion in a debate, the rhythm of the poem and the thrill of the story. Literature give us a tool to think, to question, and to grow up. Thank you.